Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Sony TV model and firmware so features match instructions, then you access the network menu. Using the remote, press Home, open Settings, and select Network Setup. This starts the connection wizard. Once done, you will choose between Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi SSID and password on hand because you will enter them next. This avoids stalls and speeds the process, preventing guesswork when the TV scans for networks. You now decide the method, wireless for convenience or Ethernet for stability. If you pick Wi-Fi, wait for the TV to scan and display SSIDs, then select your network and enter the password exactly, respecting capitalization. Once the TV authenticates, it will obtain an IP address automatically via DHCP. If you use Ethernet, plug a reliable cable into the TV and router, then select Wired Connection. No password needed. Make sure to restart the TV after a successful connection to finalize system services and app updates. You finish by checking network status to confirm IP and DNS assignment, and then open an app to test streaming. If everything loads, your setup is complete. If not, run the TV's built-in connection test to get diagnostics. If the test fails, reboot the router and the TV, then try reconnecting and retyping the password. Intermittent issues often clear with a power cycle. If still blocked, move the router closer or set a static DNS. This resolves many name resolution or weak signal problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.